Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today with a new scholarship video. Today video is about Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship and I am your friend Adil Akram. So before moving toward a scholarship video, I want to tell you some important information about the scholarship. This scholarship is for Bachelor, Master, PhD, one-time master program and also the part-time or non-degree program. All of the students can apply in this scholarship. So there is 3 to 4 phases to apply a scholarship. So I will guide you one by one. First of all, I want to give you some detail about the scholarship. You can see that this is some main page of Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship. Here you can see apply for a scholarship. Call for applicants like a BA and MA. BA and MA also known as BA, BS, BSc or MA, MS or MSc. They also mentioned that one. And this call for application doctor like call for applicant doctor students. And if you want to apply, you have to click it here. But before going to apply, we discuss about the information like what kind of information you need. For example, if I click on call for application BA and BSc, so they open the other information like full degree program, document for all the applicants, partial studies only for art applicants, student for application, statement for application, and privacy notes. Okay, first of all, I want to show you some full degree program. Like if we click it here, after clicking here, they will open a Excel file. Let's just save it. So in Excel file, they have almost more than 400 plus program where you can apply, and these scholarship are almost 800 scholarship all over the world. So you can be a winner of this scholarship. So it depends on you that how early you apply, how good application makeup you can make. Like you can see, these are the study programs, study levels, and branch of sciences. They mention about the degrees, and here they mention about the like bachelor, master, phd, and you can see there are a lot of information they provide about the programs. And here you can find your required program and your required degree and your required branch of science, and they mention all of the information here. Okay, second thing is document for all applicants. So these documents are basically for bachelor, master, and PhD one-time master program, and those are non-degree program. So documents are same for all of the students. So the important thing is you have to watch a full video. Like first of all, what kind of requirement they require for from the applicants, and what kind of documents you need. So first of all, online application form, which I will guide you that how you can fill it. And motivation letter should be a one page, not more than one page. Proof of language proficiency and translation in the language of selected study program. So scanned copy of original proof of language proficiency. And other thing is, in case the student has completed his degree which is same as the selected program. For example, if you choose a English or your previous degree is English, then you need a MOE or English letter. So you can get that MOE letter like medium of English letter from your department where you get your last degree like bachelor, master, or intermediate degree. And the fourth one is a school certificate and their translation in the language. So school certificate, it include your degree and your transcript where all the programs and the score they mention. So the bachelor level students, you can see that scanned copy of original secondary school graduation certificate or equivalent translation you have to provide it there. Master level student will provide both bachelor and intermediate school information, and doctor student will provide master, bachelor degree, and non-degree student language preparatory program scanned copy of their secondary school graduation certificate. So you can read all of the things. Transcript record and copy of identification document. So they provide two options. If you have a passport, you can upload your passport, or if you don't have a passport, you can use your national ID card. Because some of the bachelor students who just get their admission result from intermediate school, so they don't have a passport, so they can apply on national ID card. Acceptance statement for applicant in the online system and medical certificate. So these are the documents you need to provide this scholarship. Otherwise, any missing document, your application is denied. Okay, so now I will show you that what kind of benefit you will get from this scholarship before moving the how the application makeup. So if you click on about and then move to the toward the bottoms, sorry, not bottoms. So here you can see that Stipendium Hungaricum in numbers. You can see that almost 11,000 students who are currently studying in it, and application 2025 to 2026, 80,000 applicants can apply, and 20% basically they increase the quota of the application. Who can apply? Asia. Most of the part is Asia, like 51%, and Europe is almost, you can see that 1 by 2% or 1 by 7%. South America, they mention a lot of information here. Okay, so now about the application here. Provision covered by the scholarship. So a bachelor student, master students, one-time master students and non-degree students will get the same scholarship, but the doctor student will get a different scholarship. The difference is that a master student will get a stipend, monthly stipend around about 43,700, and the PhD student will get 1,40,000 Hungary scholarship here. And further they will get accommodation, they will get a medical insurance, and your tuition fee is totally paid. They will also cover your airfare ticket, that if you successfully get this scholarship, they will provide you a reimbursement on your arrival. So you have to save your ticket document, then you have to provide those documents to the university, so they will provide you the reimbursement of your ticket. Okay, so now we will move toward that how you can apply on it. Just click on apply, then you have to come here, the third option, click on apply. Okay, this page is application portal page and program searching page. You can also search your program, and you can find any required program you want. And they also mention about the scholarship, like call for application for 2026 and 27. The other scholarship also, Stipendium Hungaricum application system is open 15 November 25. The application period is, the last date to apply on this scholarship is almost January, mid of January. First of all, you have to click. And one thing more, the most important thing is that you have to register here, but before you can see they showing Pakistan, because I'm from Pakistan, they showing a Pakistan. This scholarship is also a country based. So first of all, you have to find your country here, click on it, and then you have to find your country and choose country, and then go for sign in. After registration, they will give you a dream ID. Because I already have it, so I will apply. Mention your passport here, passport number, and sign in. So after getting your dream ID, they will give you a verification email in your Gmail account or any email account which you are using. And after that login, you have to move toward my application. But before moving to application, if you click here, they show your dream ID here. This, you have to remember this dream ID, because there is a chance that you have to mention your dream ID in your application, and this is profile. Before going to application, better that fill up your my profile, that give your documentation, your education, your residence, your contact information, so you can make your application so easily. Okay, after that you have to go for my application. After clicking on my application, they will show you this page. You do not yet have any application, so click on continue. After continue, you have to find your program. You can apply a filter here. Just I click on a biology. Okay, here you can find your required program, because I already show you the Excel file where they have a lot of program. You can find your program and search here. For example, I just click on biology and click on find program. And one more thing, if you need a guide that how you can apply for scholarship, you can just click application guide, apple guide for Stipendium Hungaricum. They have lot of information. For example, if I click it here, so it's a PDF file. So you can see that they give you a screenshot of every step. First of all, how you can make an account, and after that you can search your program here, go for my application, find program, browse institution, my application, offers and task, and they give all of you information about your master and other things. So you can get that file from here, application guide. Okay, just find a program. So they show me some program, they are open. Click on first one, and you can see that after clicking on it, they give some information that we have to provide about the about this scholarship. So first of all is a profile. So you have to fill up your profile, your given name, your passport number, and here you have to add your photo. The photo should be 2 MB, and the size, it should be a passport size. For example, if I click on it, I have my profile photo. So you can see that it's uploaded here. Okay, second option is contact information. So here you have to provide your contact information, your home address, your phone number, your postal code, your country, your emergency contact. And in emergency contact, you can provide your father, brother, and other relevants. And third option is education. Please type your answer to the following question about your current education: doctor degree. Please enter your expected graduation date. So you have to write level of education, start of studies, official name of school, your graduation date, your program, and your scientific discipline. So please fill in your Neptune code that you have in your Hungarian Education Institute education ID number. First of all, I want to give you some information about this part. And where you can get this information, I will show you later. Okay, next option is you have to provide letter of justification, motivation letter, your work plan, your class plan, and your the last one is absolorium. The uploaded file cannot be larger than 4 MB, and you can combine all of your documents in one file, one PDF file, and you can upload it here. The next one is checklist. Because I did not provide any kind of documents here, so you have to provide all of these documents. So then they will show you that you have all of your checklist here. And other, how many months are you applying for? If you can mention about this information, consider your month carefully. If you eat awarded, you will not be eligible one time dissertation. Mean if you get the scholarship, that your thesis fee is also will be covered under the Hungaricum scholarship. And after that you can submit the application. But before going there, I want to show you some important thing here. Like you can see, they mention like Catholic University and Buddhist University of Technology and Economics. And because they ask about this one, the Neptune code and education ID, you can get these information from your university website, or just you can click it here, they will open a new page. And the last year to apply on the scholarship is 2 December 2025. Okay, so if you remember the PDF file, I just show you that where you can download this one. So here you can see that the full degree program, you can get these link from here, and they will give you all of the information that how you can fill your all of application, your passport, your ID card, your birth, formal photo, contact email. I already show you that how you can fill. So I'm just here to find that what kind of information they need. The first part of this section refer to your current and previous education experience. So you have to ask you to type your answer to the question. Please do not write about what you would like to study within the Stipendium Hungaricum program. So you can see that they mention these things, that Please do not write about what you would like to study within the Stipendium Hungaricum program. You don't need to provide any kind of information in this section. So remember, if you remember this part, this one. So what you can do here, you can just delete this option. Okay, so the next part is your level of education, your program, and your country. Previous and current education in Hungary. Please, second part of this section refer to your former or current study. Please do not refer to your future study in Hungary. Okay, so you can see that this option, the Neptune code, if any, please fill in if you already have a Neptune code in Hungarian Higher Education Institute. Education ID number, please type in if you have education ID number 11 digit. The education ID number can be found in the Neptune system. Have you ever studied in the institute? Then you can provide. No, I have never studied in a Hungarian Education Institute. In case you have not yet studied in a Hungary, so please select this option. Have you ever been scholarship holder? So you can choose all of the information. So they mention these information that where you can get your Neptune code, if any. Otherwise you can skip that one. Or if you need your Neptune code, you can move toward the application university website, and you can find your program and you can provide that information there. And language knowledge and study language of your future study, your employment, activities, and all of the information here. Okay, further, if you don't want to go that site where you have to fill up your information, you can also get link from here. Like I want to show you, for full degree program, you can just click here and open. Just click it, and eligible study program, and they will show you some information here like these. I already show you these information. You can just copy your program, and you can go back to the main website here, and you can search your program here. And after filling all of the information, you can submit your information. You don't need to pay any kind of application fee, and they did not require IELTS. I already told you about the Neptune code and education ID are compulsory feed, but you can provide that information if you have. Otherwise you can't provide these information. Or you have to mm, give information about your, first of all you have to provide your secondary education, your start of study, your official name of school, your graduation date, your program name, and scientific discipline. Okay, second one is a bachelor. If you are going to applying for a bachelor degree, then you have to provide information about a bachelor. If you are going to apply for a PhD, then you have to give information about bachelor and master both information. Now those students who don't want to apply for a non-degree program, they can choose only a pre-education or secondary school education, and they can provide their intermediate study information there. So they will be accepted as a scholarship candidate. After that you can submit your application, check your checklist, and if you have any other information like that, you can give information. Otherwise skip this part or submit your application. So this is the main information about the scholarship. So they have almost a 4 weeks, almost 1 month to have to apply on the scholarship. So share this video with your friend that they can apply on it. Share in your circle, so everyone will get benefit from the scholarship. Remember me in your prayer. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz.